See you later. Drive safe. Morning, John. Looks like the tanker's right on schedule today. Yeah, beautiful sunrise for it. Let's get this connected. Meter looks good. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Roger that. Hatches are starting to close.
Bring it on through the gate. Easy now.
Straighten up and head for Bay 3.
Here, the raw milk is spun at incredible speeds, separating the lighter cream from the heavier skim milk prior to pasteurization. Check the transmembrane pressure on Module 4. Reading steady at 2.5 bar, consistent with the flow rate. Check the flow rate on Sector 4.
Looks stable, but the temperature is spiking slightly near the heat exchanger.
The flow rate looks stable at 500 liters per hour.
Okay, let's check the pressure on the automated valves.
Check the flow on the third screen. Looks steady.
As you can see on the protein analyzer, the concentration is exactly as expected.
Yes, and the moisture content is stable.
Check the flow rate on line 3. We're seeing a slight pressure drop.
Yeah, I see it. Adjusting the pneumatic valve now.
The blend ratios are holding steady. Approved. Let's monitor the next cycle.
The density seems high on this batch. Yeah, write that down for quality control. Are the levels optimal on the viscosity? Yes, right in the target range here. The coating is uniform.
Look at that synchronization.
Flawless. The new calibration worked perfectly.
Look at that synchronization.
Flawless. The new calibration worked perfectly.
Everything is running smoothly. The precision is remarkable.
Absolutely. No issues detected.
Check the calibration on line 3.
Looks steady, right within tolerance.
Delivery for the supplement store. I have the manifest here.
Great, let me check the count. We'll use the pallet jack for the back.